This is You Can Change Vegan. Hello, today we're making an easy lunchbox snack with simple ingredients and no added sugar. We're making these Raspberry Bliss Balls. Firstly, add the oats to the food processor and then process into small crumbs. It should look like this. And now we add the rest of our ingredients, which are raspberries, dates, coconut, chia seeds, salt, and a little bit of water. Now process until everything comes together. The mixture will have a nice colour, add more raspberries for a brighter pink. Take the blade out and then take a spoonful of the mixture, roll it into a ball with your hands and then place it on the plate. I'm going to roll half of them in some extra coconut. Repeat with all of the mixture. It should make around 10 balls. Store in a container in the fridge for up to a week. They look so good. Now let's have a taste. Yum. Easy to make and great to put in your lunchbox to take to work. Thanks for watching this video and thanks to all of my subscribers. There's more of my vegan recipe videos linked above.